obviously. So remember, kids, safety first. So when you're rollerblading, skateboarding, cycling, remember to put on your helmet, your knee pads, and other safety stuff. So first I'm going to teach you exercises that you need to know to move. So first, when you get on your rollerblade, so just practice marching. That's going to really get the beat flowing. So that if you can see, I'm moving a little bit. So that helps you move a little bit. So, and the next one I'm going to be showing you is how to move. So once you stand up from the bench or whatever you sat on to where your rollerblades, so just stand up and you kind of want to stretch your legs like this. So you kind of want to stretch them. Stretch them like that. And then notice this, the harder you push, that's the more speed you get. So if I push really gentle, I won't get as much speed as I want. So like this. See, that's not fast. But if I put all my power into it, I'm gonna move faster, like this. So the next one is how to stop. So once you're going like this and you feel like you're gonna crash into something, I have two methods to teach you how to stop. The first one is just put your hands out and stop rollerblading. So when you're going like this and you feel like you're about to crash into something, just don't keep rollerblading. Put your hands forward so you can kind of like hold on to the thing you're gonna crash in. So I'm gonna show you another example. Go from there to there. So see, that kind of helped me stop. And then the other one is to put your legs, like, well, your right leg behind your left leg, or your left leg behind your right leg. But I do it with my left leg. So all you want to kind of do is do this. So look at my feet right now. One foot is pointing this way and then the other foot is pointing this way, like this. So that kind of helps you stop, because this foot will kind of like scrape onto the ground and stop it for you. So this is an example. See that? So your leg's gonna be like this. So one leg's gonna be facing the way you're going and the other leg's gonna be like this. So it's kind of look like an L, but like this. Cameraman, so see my legs? See how they look? So that's kind of how you want to do when you're trying to stop, like this. And then they also kind of add like a turn to it, because then you turn a little bit. I'll show you something like this. So going. So they kind of add a turn. So that's it for this video of teaching you how to rollerblade. And don't forget, kids,